Vlogmas Day 10. I am doing a what I eat in the day, plus I'm going to give you some tips for getting through the holiday season. If you'd like to see what it takes to be successful on Weight Watchers during the holidays, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm doing my regular what I eat in the day for day 10 of Vlogmas, but I'm also going to share some tips for getting through the holidays on the Weight Watcher program and things you can do to help you get through those days that may be tougher than usual, because we all know we have things going on in the holidays and it's sometimes hard to stay on a healthy plan, but I'm going to share with you some tips that may help you get through the season. So if you'd like to come along with me, and I'll share what I eat in a day. It's not that much regarding food, but I will share my tips. For lunch, I had a Chipotle bowl. My son ran up there and brought it home. I have steak on that, 3 points for the steak. I have fajita vegetables, lettuce, and tomatoes, and 6 points for the rice. So that is 9 points, and I'm going to add my own light sour cream and light cheese. So that'll be another 2 points. So that'll be 11 points for lunch. Getting through the holidays can be tough, but if you do some things to help you get through it, it will make it a little easier, and you might find that no weight gain on the scale, maintaining, or even a loss. So one thing to do is to make sure you drink plenty of water. Before meals, drink your 16 ounces of water. It'll help you feel fuller and help you not to overeat. Another tip is to plan your meals, plan for your events. If you know you have a party going on, you make sure you save your weekly points for that party, and that way you can enjoy it without feeling guilty and without feeling deprived. If you are going to a party, you can bring your own desserts, such as lightening up recipes, substituting out ingredients that may be less healthy, like oil. You can use applesauce. You can eliminate a lot of the heavier calories with the sugar. You can use sugar substitutes. So there's lots of ways you can make healthier food choices. There's lots of ways you can make your food healthier and more geared towards your Weight Watcher plan. Another tip is to exercise as much as you can. Whenever you get a chance, make sure you can get a walk. If you're shopping, park in the farthest parking spot. Just any opportunity you can have to get some exercise in, and it'll help you get through the holiday season. Another tip is to try to incorporate as many 0-point foods into your meals, not only just for holidays, the holiday gatherings, but for all your meals during the season. You can use your 0-point foods to help feel fuller and to help you make meals that are healthier, lower points, and give you extra points during the week. You remember, you get carryovers when you don't use all your points for the day. You get extra points if you drink your water and eat extra vegetables. So use those techniques to get your extra points and use them for your holiday gatherings. If you have a craving for something, make sure you don't ignore the craving. Satisfy it somehow. If it's a sweet tooth, you can have your sweet treats and just plan for it and use your points and track it all, and you'll find yourself on the journey for success through the holiday season. When you're doing a holiday recipe, you can use healthy swaps for your food. And if you're having for example, sweet potato casserole, you can use sweeteners in it instead of using heavy sugar, and you can just make it less less calories and less points, so you can enjoy it and not feel like you're getting cheated out of your holiday goodies. There's lots of Christmas cookie recipes you can make that will help you have a sweet treat for Christmas. You know, cookies are probably one of my downfalls, so I tend to eat a lot of them. So I'm going to try to substitute with a healthier cookie and just try to use that willpower to avoid eating a lot of the cookies, because really once you have that one cookie, you know what the rest of them are going to taste like, and you don't have to go overboard. If you do have a slip up or eat too much, if you feel like you ate too much, don't feel like you're just going to throw in the towel and give it up. Just get back on track. Every little bit helps. You don't have to give it all up just because you had made some bad choices, because you'll regret it. And just get back on track with your next meal and make those healthy choices, because you're not going to gain a lot of weight if you just have one bad cheat party or a meal or whatever. But just get back on it. Don't just give up, because it's not all or nothing. Every little thing you do during the holiday season to stay on track will help you. Even if it seems like it's just a little thing, it will add up and it will help you stay focused. And you just don't want to be coming to January and regret the holiday season, but you do want to enjoy the holiday season. So I hope you enjoyed these holiday tips for this season, help you get through the holidays. Please comment below any tips you use to get through the holidays and to eat right and make healthy choices, so everybody can take advantage of your knowledge. Got my walking shoes on today, getting some steps in. Getting everything together is key. Walking, drinking water, eating right. Slowly but surely. For dinner, I air fried some turkey kielbasa, and I'm having sweet potatoes and vegetable melange. That's from Trader Joe's. That's 1 point for the vegetables, 0 point for the sweet potato, and 3 points for the turkey sausage. Well, that's my dinner. It is a 4-point dinner. Actually, it was 11 points because I added some extra sausage. I'm going to have some of this Pop Secret popcorn for a snack tonight. I'm going to have 4 points worth. So I ended the day using 27 personal points. I was a few points over, and that's what happens when you eat out. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm Waiting at Weight Loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.